think about what we've done in this course thus far. This is what we've done in this course thus far. What I'm doing is I'm designing a flow chart for you guys. Let me kill this. The font's a little small, and if somebody reminds me, I will post this to your schedule page so you can download the Excel sheet. It's a flow chart that I like to build as we go. So you start at the beginning, what do you want to do? So you're in Math 244, which is also a springboard for research. What do you want to do? Do you want to estimate what a parameter's value is? Or do you want to test the parameter to see if it's changed? That's the first thing you answer. You answer your question, what do you want to do? Do you want to figure out, are you working for a campaign and you want to figure out what the community support is for that candidate? Are you working in a lab and you want to figure out what the success rate for a certain rehabilitation is? Questions you might want to ask. Are you a field biologist trying to figure out if neonics actually are doing something to honeybees? You know, right now I'm pretending I am, my research. So yes, maybe you want to do that. Then you have to ask, which one are you estimating? Little p or little mu? I know this is hard to read in this class, that's why I'll give you your own copy of it. So you have the two tools for that now. We've learned how to make t intervals and z intervals based around those parameters, or based around those statistics, I should say, around p hat and x bar. That's what we spent the first 4 or so weeks doing, yeah? First 4 or so weeks. We started with x bar and p hat, and then we plussed and minused and we added and subtracted. Good Lord, it's like my son now. We added and subtracted. Hire me, Dad, hire me. You mean raise you? Yes. Okay. You add and subtract the margin of error to those sample statistics, create a range of values, and you got your interval. Boom. But suppose you've already got that in the research and you want to see if a parameter has changed from that. So yeah, which one? Well, you got little p. That's what we've spent the past couple days looking at, little p's. How many? Well, so far just one. We've looked at one data value. We looked at 74, you're going to look at 75%, 70%, the Ben AP pass rate, which I think is one of the ones that might be out there too at some point. I can't remember if that was out there. I got a whole bunch that I've been collecting data on. The ones we looked at in class were the Florida motorcycle death rate, which was known from 1999. We looked at a flu vaccine, which was 12%, which was known from previous. We looked at Prevnar, 13.5%. So all of those studies had a percentage in them. So we were testing one percentage or one proportion, and we developed a test for that guy right there. We call him a one-prop z-test on your TI, but it's just a z-test. He's correlated to, if you think about it, he's correlated to this guy. One prop z int, one prop z test. They're very similar, very correlated in that respect. So, what next? Well, what next? Grab your data sheet. I've not forgotten my question. We're going to answer soon. Yes, I've not forgotten about it. We're going to get it in stride, if you will. I want to turn the screen off. Take a look at your next data set. It's the one about IQ scores. Turn the camera off, give you a chance to read it.